Hey guys, welcome back to Nico Brothers. So today we're working on a new build. We want to pick up an RV. We've done one before. This one's a little smaller that we found, but if we get to pick it up, I think it'd be a great deal. Let's check out what we were looking at. All right, so we got a 2015 Vegas Ford Ecoline. I'm not even sure. There's so many details in this thing, but it looks great on the outside, right? Check that thing out. Such a weird windshield. I guess that's the new style that they're going at, or maybe that's what Vegas does. Got a slide out on this side. Hopefully that's just dirty. Looks good. Not much damage at all around. Outside looks great. A nice backup camera going on, ladder to the top. I think it's a dually right there. Awning on this side. Like I said, looking really clean, but this is gonna make, the next picture is gonna show us why it's on Copart. Yeah, here we go again. Another burned one. We like our burned vehicles. Definitely fire extinguisher, that's why it's looking so bad. All that smoke on there, but yeah, it's scarred, singed. Wow, yeah. So either we're gonna drive this thing back, because shipping is about $4 to $5 grand, or we go up there ourselves with the trailer and pick it back up. So we have a lot of options.
First, we gotta see what it goes for.
Yeah. We're just thinking about what to do, what not to do. The engine may or may not be damaged. I mean, it's hard to tell. Is that just dirt or is that the extinguisher? I mean, these things look pretty fragile. So if it got burned, I'm pretty sure that would have went away too. So overall, I think the engine should be fine. I don't know. There's no power on the dash. It doesn't say run and drive. Interior looks pretty bad. It looks...
Yeah, but if we get it for a pretty good deal, I think it's worth it.
I think so too. I mean, honestly, after that, it's just kind of like construction, remodeling a little house. So if it's just the interior burn, it won't be that bad. It's definitely a gamble.
Let's see what it goes for.
All right. All right, guys, so we actually won this thing. I think we got it for a steal deal. I mean, regardless, there's still parts inside that are good. I mean, if the engine, for sure, I'm excited about it, but next step is trying to get it to our shop. I don't think we're gonna risk it this time to drive 18 hours to Minnesota and drive it back and do all that. I mean, that can't be healthy to be in all that, whatever it is, that burnt stuff. So we're gonna call my buddy Nick. He's got a big old dually and a big old trailer. Haul it up there and hopefully haul it back. So that's the game plan. Let's get it done.
Yeah, it started right up. And I just found the bolts for the drive shaft. They were nice enough to just put them inside instead of throwing them away. So I'm gonna go under there and hook up the drive shaft and maybe we could drive this thing. Okay, so we're underneath by the drive shaft. Yes, check that out. They did a good job. Whoever did the towing. So we'll unhook it there. Boom, boom. And then we'll slide that up. I'm gonna need two hands, so. here we have it. We got it loaded on the trailer. A little bit of adventure, but got it all loaded. I think we're gonna have to measure to see how tall this thing is, but we'll check that at the gas station. Doesn't look that tall. So let's hit the road. All right, so we've been driving for a little bit. Now we want to check our height. So we parked next to a semi. Let's climb this thing up and check it out. We're good. Yeah, like maybe 6-7 inches lower than that. So looking good. Let's keep driving.
Alright guys, so safe and sound off the trailer. That's usually a process. We actually had to lift up the rear end to clear the fenders and stuff because we don't want to destroy the front bumper. It was definitely really close, but worked out great. Everything went smoothly, didn't cause too much damage. Nicked a little bit in the front bumper, but you know, that's part of the process. But hey, when I was driving it, it's actually really smooth. Not gonna lie, when I first opened that door, it looked horrible. I didn't want to go inside. I was like, there's no way this thing runs. But turned the key, cranked right over, no check engine light, it's purring. But let's go inside and see what we got, see what we bought. I mean, dang, yeah, first impressions, like, this is crazy. I don't know if the camera captures it, but wow. Yeah, I don't even know if this is recognizable, what's going on. Everything looks horrible. Definitely burned. Wow, you're just kind of like working your way around very carefully. I mean, there's stuff everywhere. This is definitely a good thing we got a dumpster. This is crazy.
I mean, it looks like just the ceiling. But what do you think caught on fire, Michael?
I mean,
it looks like there's a little space heater right here, a gas one.
Dang.
Look at that. That does not look good.
Right there.
So you guys check out the ceiling. So, I mean, it was burning, it was melting. Look at that speaker.
Dang.
Should be what speaker?
Is that like a sprinkler system?
I think that's for the TV antenna.
Oh wow,
But
yeah.
we don't need that thing.
It's so hard to recognize.
But look, it's got keys over there.
Yeah, look at that.
And look at that TV.
That's a TV?
I'm pretty sure that was a TV.
Dang. Wow. I mean, that lie is pretty insane. There's like a bunk on top.
I mean, a lot of stuff we gotta clean up, and then we can see the potential of it.
Right.
But we shouldn't stay in here too long, Michael.
I feel like I need a mask, not gonna lie. Yeah, this.
Well, let's go check out the outside.
Breathing it in. Yeah, we won't know what's going on until we get this all cleaned up. So like you said, let's go outside and we'll come back inside later.
Alright guys, so let's check out the outside. There's a lot of little compartments. Let's open them up and see if there's any damage or any little surprises. So I think this should be the TV, I think. Let's try it out.
Nice.
Oh wow.
That's not bad.
Good. Looks
Yeah.
good. Little compartment. Another one. Wow. Look at that.
That's a compartment right there. Oh yeah.
Might need these.
That's nice.
All right. cable actually, so that's a really nice thing. That's nice. Oh, you guys check this out. There's the generator right here.
Looks good.
It looks really good. It looks brand new. I think just what we paid for in this generator comes out good.
That's nice. All the sewer stuff.
And there's all the wiring and everything. Looking good. Oh, there's the propane.
Oh, it's got gas?
Good thing the fire didn't get that far.
Wow, that got exploded.
It looks like it's full too.
That's crazy. What is that?
I think it's a canopy. And snow chains.
Snow chains. Nice.
I don't think we need these guys.
Super Z LT.
But everything underneath looks really clean, so look, they're brand new. Nobody even opened them yet.
Oh, tire covers, so basically just you don't get.
Oh, these are tire covers.
Yeah, those are probably tire covers. Never even used snow chains. Look at that.
Wow.
Wow. That's nice to have.
That's nice to have. Let's check out the engine.
It drops down like that. That's interesting.
Wow, so check it out. Everything looks really clean. Really look good. It looks like no fire got to the engine. I mean, we did start it right up at the auction, and we just started up right now. It's looking good, you know.
Nice. So what do we have here? What kind of motor is it?
I don't remember. I know it's a V10.
10-cylinder. Nice.
Probably really bad on gas.
Probably. Look at all those radiators though. That's crazy. AC condensers, radiators.
Transmission cooler.
Yep.
But you guys, check out this glass. It's cracked everywhere. We're gonna need a new one. It's probably gonna be expensive. But
if you know somebody with a glass, let us know.
But I think if we take this glass out, it'd be really easy to take everything out from the outside. So I don't know.
We'll see.
But it's huge. Like it curves like this. It reminds me of something like a bald guy. I don't know. That's pretty cool.
Call him Baldy.
All right, guys. So we're here in the driver's seat, and we did get this thing started. But you guys will never guess how many miles this thing has. Only 36,000 miles.
Dang.
So that's a really good sign for us. That means somebody didn't really drive this thing. So that's really good. But it looks like, steering wheel got a little bit melted, but good thing is just a Ford. We can get that changed out. Lights turn on, little buttons. It looks like the radio's not doing so well. Might have to replace that guy. But let's see if the heater works, or AC.
Wow, I can't believe it just cranks right over. No jump box, no nothing, and it just starts. I feel something.
I feel it.
I feel it. Is that AC? Nice, no way.
So maybe we could have driven this thing home. I'm kind of glad we didn't.
Look at this thing. One time I'd wear a mask inside a vehicle. This would be it.
What? Look at this.
No. It was working. Look at that.
It's glued.
Oh, wow, but it's working.
All right, that means we could just replace it.
Nice.
Wow.
Yeah, you can't see anything on the front windshield, Ivan. It's not foggy outside. Man, it sounds so
look,
windshield wiper. You're washing it. Nice. I think we gotta wash on the inside. I mean, overall, these buttons look pretty good. Like, it's not that bad. Horn works.
We're gonna have to fix these seats though.
Yeah. Let's upgrade to like some nice, I don't know, king seats they have. Is this a little compartment or something? A little table. Oh, that's cool. Very nice. Alright guys, so that's all the time we have for today, but let us know if you think we've got a good deal. You've seen how much we bought it for, how much we picked it up. Honestly, I think there's a lot of great parts on here, even if we don't end up fixing it all the way, but I think we should, just because it's an interior burn. It's kind of like construction. We can remodel it any way you want. There's definitely a lot of work ahead of us if we decide to fix it, but hey, we did that burnt Raptor before, took care of that, you know, bottom up really, so I don't know what we should do, get a parts car, one maybe that's rolled over, everything like that, or completely do a custom. It's kind of a new ball game for us, but we're excited. I think we got a good budget where we can start, put some money into it, and go camping. But like I said, thanks for staying tuned, you guys. Make sure you subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Let us know what you think about our new build, and we appreciate it. Until next time.